You are going to love the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.